Hi, it's Phil Murphy again. Congratulations, you have a new home. Now we need to start the renovation. Remember, FHA requires that you start the project within 30 days of closing. And now we need to just set the expectations on the drawer inspections that we're going to be providing for you. At AM, we've scheduled those inspections for you. But more importantly, before we come out to the inspection, yourself and the general contractor, you need to be in agreement with what work has been done before we get there. And if not, you need to communicate with the general contractor. We're going to ask that all the paperwork that was sent to you is completed prior to us coming out to the inspection, and including permits. We want you to send that paperwork to us 3 days prior to our going out there, so we can review and be prepared for what we're going to be releasing. With this in order, this is going to allow us to release the payment to your general contractor, because we want to keep this project on time and get you into your new home.